Welcome back to the Neuro Symbolic Channel. Happy to deliver some good news today. I am on the organizing committee for a AAAI Spring Symposia. It's part of a series called MAKE, which stands for Machine Learning and Knowledge Engineering. So thinking about how we make systems that combine symbolic AI with machine learning. And this year's theme for our MAKE Symposium is on trustworthy, multimodal, and generative AI. This builds on last year's symposium that focused on MAKE intersecting with large language models. Big thanks to Andreas Martin for including me on this. As an organizer, Andreas has been organizing the MAKE series for a number of years now, and really excited that it's going to continue this year. Stay tuned. We'll post information about the event. But in the meantime, you can mark your calendar. It'll run from March 31st till April 2nd of 2025. And it'll be held this year at the San Francisco Airport Marriott. In the past, normally it's at Stanford, but this year it will be at the at the San Francisco Marriott. So anyway, just want to share that good news with you. We will post more information as it becomes available, and looking forward to seeing you in the spring. Thank you.